Alrighty, you guys.
Today we're doing the top 5 reasons why you should buy the 2020 Ford Escape Hybrid.
Yes, and this is the titanium.
Woo! We're gonna start with the interior right now. Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, Elny, so Ford stopped making the hybrid, the Escape hybrids back in 2012. They totally stopped making them. They came out again this year with the 2020 hybrid, so they haven't made them in 8 years. A lot of people hate them. A lot of people love them. Elny, do you hate it or do you love it?
You know, I like it very much. I like the interior, so I'm gonna have to say I like it.
All right, and I actually like it too. So leave your comment below. Do you hate it? Do you love it? Just that simple. Let us know. All right. But number one reason for me to buy this sucker is the dashboard, the digital displays. Here in the front here, you've got a 12-inch digital display. You've got the 8-inch iPad style monitor here right on the top. It's just fantastic. So that's my number one, is the digital displays in this sucker. Go ahead.
And you know, my number two, I will say, is the doors. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I like those doors. I like how you get the diamond look right there. You have the wood etching. You have, you know, your 3 memory seat control. They still give you that on this hybrid. And all that control for the windows.
Right, so you've got the diamond display. I want to know your comments below. This is the first time we've seen this style in a SUV. I like it too. I've watched several YouTube videos though that hate it. So leave your comment below. All right, so you've got the trim. I tell you what, the one thing I don't like that there's a lot of plastic. It's a pretty soft leather there for your elbow, but this seems a little bit cheap. You've got the B&O speaker system. You've got a couple cup holders down here. Let's move on to the interior here. You've got your nice chrome trim coming around the top. You've got a heated steering wheel, which is fantastic here in this area. You've got your normal controls here. You've got your lane assist, your normal cruise control settings, your volumes, all that, normal steering wheel. You've got some glass black finish here on the bottom of the steering wheel. You've got your normal controls here on the side, your cruise controls. You've got lots of room. This is a double pull for your hood, so that's a little tricky. A lot of times you just pull it one time. This is a double pull and then it'll pop it out. You've got your normal display here. You've got your stereo systems. These are super large vents here. This is a weird spot here on your engine start-stop system. Down here below, you've got your defrost, your frost. Both seats here in the front are heated. The driver's side has a 10 position seat adjustments here in the bottom. The passenger has a 6. One thing I don't like, Elny, is they did not put a wireless phone charging system here in the middle. They could have squeezed one in here for $36,000. They probably should have added that. What do you think?
I think too. I agree with that.
Hop in, Elny, and you can tell them the number 3 reason why they should buy the 2020 Ford Escape Titanium.
My number 3 reason is this center console right here. I love the shifting knob. You know, we have some gear modes right here and all that fun stuff. The 2 cup holders. And we have ambient lighting on this thing, so it doesn't get any much better than that. We have the center console right here, very deep right here. You have a USB plug there, and you have a 12-volt outlet right here.
Yeah, I really like, you know, one thing I don't like though is they don't have the wire, like we were just talking, they don't have the wireless charging system.
Yes, that's one thing I don't like, but
they have the USB port. They have one up in the front, and they have one down there in the middle glove box there.
Yes, and like as I was saying, this wood accent is very nice. Glove box right here is very nice, has a nice amount of space. You know, some other vehicles are putting a button right here, you push on it and it just opens right away, but they kept the standard one on this one.
Yeah, but the center console here, let's check this out a little bit closer. It's got the dial knob gear shifter, which I think is awesome. When you turn that, it shows up on your 12-inch display.
The modes up there as you like turn this knob, which does very nice.
Yep, it's got sport mode, it's got winter mode, it's got all kinds of different modes, and that's pretty dang cool.
Yep, up here you have your normal, you know, this is for your panoramic sunroof right here, your lights and all that fun stuff. If you want to put your glasses right here, that's right there. Right here you have your garage mode, so it has that for you.
Yeah, let's get on to, let's do it.
Let's move to the rear.
Let's move to the rear, and then we're going to talk about our number 4 reason. All right, I'm in the back of the 2020 Ford Escape Titanium Hybrid, and there is plenty of room. I mean, I've got lots of leg room from the outside of this thing, and I think this is what people don't like. It's just kind of, I don't know. Some people could say it's stubby, kind of ugly
kind of
looking.
small and
looks
all
like
that,
a beetle or an, I don't know. Leave your comments below there. But I think it's pretty cool, and I really like the leg room in here.
Yes, leg room is awesome.
Now, reason number 4 of why you should buy this hybrid titanium, the sunroof. We're gonna grab the camera
let me show
and
you guys
it.
that.
Yeah.
You see that
Look
right
at
there?
this thing. It's tinted all the way across. It's huge. It takes up the whole thing. It's a lot like the Teslas. I mean, it's just a full panoramic moonroof, and I love it. What do you think, Elny?
I like it too. It's very nice.
Yeah.
You know, it's very nice. This is a very nice hybrid. And like Keith was saying, comment below. I like it. He likes it. I want to know what you guys think.
Grab the camera and let's just check out the back a little bit.
Okay.
All right, so they continued on with that little diamond pattern on the plastic there. They've got the silver trim on the door handles, your B&O speaker system. Let's scoot on over, Elny. You can hop in here. Now the seats, they're leather back here, but they're not heated, so that's kind of a bummer. It's kind of cold. So up here in the middle, you've got the drop down here. You've got your cup holders. It's kind of maybe an inexpensive feel of the leather. It's got the little stitching though. I'm not sure about the comfort of it, but it'll work because most of the time it's going to be kids in the back here. Let's look at the middle console here. You've got your normal vents here. One thing I really dislike, there's no USB ports.
No USB plugs back here.
That
I wish
is
they
a
would have
bummer.
done that. Yep.
That's very disappointing. I think for $36,000, it definitely should have 2 USB ports. That kind of sucks. Leave your comments below again. It does have a 12-volt adapter, so you can plug yours in, but nowadays everything has USBs. Let's check out the hatch.
Okay, so back here we have plenty of space. It's very space.
He had no idea.
Guys, you see that?
He had no idea I was doing that.
Okay. Anyways, he just wants to wrestle me today.
You got the automatic hatch back here. You can use your foot here and wave it under there. It'll open up if your hands are full of babies and groceries and all that stuff. If you go in the back here, you've got plenty of room. It's not too bad. The seats fold down. The B&O speaker system continues back here. Show them the inside there. I'll grab the camera.
Right here is where we have the spare tire. So if you guys can see right here, you have a little compartment here and there.
Yeah, that whole back, the whole seat, the whole back hatch lifts up to get to it. It's kind of different. Look at that. It's the whole thing.
Yep.
There is a little bit of extra room. You can throw some flares and maybe some safety stuff back there.
Yeah, right here we have a 12-volt outlet.
All right.
Right here on the side. And we have a speaker back here, but we don't have one on that side. We do have one right here,
that's
though.
kind of different.
Yeah, which I think they should have done on both sides.
Let's get to reason number 5. All right, we're going to get to reason number 5 why you should buy this 2020 Escape Hybrid Titanium. And I love the titanium version. This thing's pretty nice for $34,000. Let's check out the back, though, before we get to reason number 5.
So we're going to show you the back here. As you can see, you guys, this wiper blade, I would like if that would have been up here. Ford is doing that on some of their SUV, but
yeah, a lot of Cadillacs will have it up here, but it does have the LED light on the spoiler there.
I don't know what to think about this back here, but it kind of just dips in, kind of like a weird little
Yeah, they got some graphics. Now that's a reflector right there. That's not a light. That's just a reflector.
But I'm going to tell you guys one thing. Even though this is a hybrid, they still gave you double exhaust. So you have dual exhaust.
Has dual exhaust with the chrome tips. I do like the flat silver portion here at the bottom, and then it has the black plastic there right above it. What do you think?
Yeah, that's nice. And you have all your sensors and all that. And the only place they place the hybrid logo is back here. So for the Napu hybrid, and none of the sides are anywhere, just back here.
Good point, Elny. And this is where you're going to find the titanium logo right here. You've got the titanium, you've got your Escape. Let's move on to the side.
And we move to the side. So if you can see the side, the size is very nice. I like the size. We have these nice 19-inch wheels, which I like those.
Yeah,
those
these are aluminum. Now this is an upgraded wheel here on this package. Look at the moonroof here on the top.
So
look at that.
And we were just talking about that, Keith. I like how they just wrapped it all the way back in all black. Sometimes they like change, they put black here and change the color, but no, they wrapped it all the way to the back.
You've got your roof rails right here on the top. If you want to put a ski rack maybe, which I would never do because you have a moonroof back there.
Right.
You've also got the silver on the top.
I like how they have the chrome here and chrome here, and we have the nice strip LED light for your turn signal right here. This one also has the lane assist right here. Shows you on the side when a car's getting close to you. But
And it's also one thing before you get off the mirrors, these are heated mirrors, so that'll thaw your ice and all that stuff that builds up.
All right, let me take over the camera, Keith, and you can show them number 5 reason why to buy this Ford Escape.
The headlights, some people don't like them. I love them. They're really deep. It's tons of glass. I think it makes it a cool, sporty look. That's the reason number 5 why you should buy the Escape Hybrid. It's awesome. It's got the 4 LED lights. It's got the daytime running LED lights that go on the bottom. It's got the nice fog lamps up here. Check out this grille. It is super similar to the Ford Fusion. Some people like it, some people don't.
So they kept it very traditional right there with
I
that.
think it's nice looking. I like it. It's got a little bit of a sporty lower lip. They put the flat silver on the very bottom, which is a little bit interesting, but it does match the rear end flat silver that they have in the back too. It's got the Ford logo right here. That's reason number 5. Those are 5 reasons. Check out our next video right here, and we'll see you next time.